Hey everyone, so I got a lot of comments on my video like how do I create this beautiful introduction. So I thought of showing my process. So in this series I'm gonna make few videos for different approaches and tool, also how you can present your work like a pro. Yes, today we're gonna create our own mockup presentation. So first thing first, we'll go to this website and you can download the mockup. Don't worry, most of them free only. So I'm going to download this one because my artboard also the same size. So simply you can download here. Then go to my channel for YouTube practice. You can download any video. Under the description you can download the file. Once you download it, open the XD file. So you could see top is my source file, the bottom is a work file. So now we can simply record our screen and we can save it on local. Then go to download folders. So here our mockup PSD. We just open this. Then create new file for your mockup. I am choosing full HD. You can choose anything that you like. Then go to mockup file tab, then select image and image size. Now you could resize it, it's too big, so we don't want this big, so simply you can adjust it. I am giving it 1000. Then select this both layers and right click and choose duplicate layers, and here we can choose our mockup artboard and hit OK. You could see we are duplicated. Again, there is always option, you can modify it, so you can adjust the size that way you want. Now double click the small icon here, so it will open a new file within the Photoshop. So this is our mockup. Here we can drag our video and select the video layer and hold option and hover between this layer, so you could mask it. Then go to window and choose timeline and create timeline. So this is our 2 layer. We can just increase the width to end. Now we can hit file save. Now our mockup is ready. Again, just click convert to timeline and open this folder. So increase all layers as like a video length. Go to this super cool mockup website. So this is the one of the great website. You could download so many assets that you want. For our concept, it's like a cotton candy, so we could download assets which is related to our design. So here I'm downloading PNG, so you could download PSD also. I already downloaded few of them based on my design. Now we can drag this. Maybe we can push it below the phone like this. Again, there is always option, so you can resize your image. The same way, so I'm gonna add few of them. So once it's done, open this layer panel and check all of them in a same width or not. Just make sure, and we can increase the width like to end. Again, in Photoshop we can do a lot of things. For now I'm just adding only for the brightness. Once it's done, go to File, Export and Render Video. Don't worry about any settings, just choose your name and folder. That's it guys, you have created your own beautiful mockup.